Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by closing Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales if it is currently running. Navigate to the Start menu on your Windows computer. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. You will see a list of all installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list to find Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales. At the top of the window, click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation process. Wait for the uninstallation wizard to load. Follow the on-screen instructions as prompted by the wizard. This may involve choosing options related to removing user data. After making your selections, click Next to continue. Once the uninstallation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the uninstallation wizard. To ensure all files are removed, you may want to restart your computer. After restarting, check to confirm that Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales is no longer present in your list of installed programs. If needed, you can also search for residual files in the installation directory and delete them manually. Your uninstallation of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.